All right, let's dive into a pretty cool part of biology that doesn't get enough love: identifying organisms. So imagine you're out in the wild, or maybe just poking around your backyard, and you find some strange creature. Maybe it's got 6 legs, maybe it's fuzzy, maybe it's slimy, whatever it is, you want to know what it's called. Now, the first thing most of us do? Grab a reference book, or start scrolling through pictures online. And yeah, sometimes you get lucky and find a photo that's a perfect match, name and all. But honestly, that doesn't always work. Nature is just way too diverse. Some organisms look almost identical. Photos can be misleading. That's where biologists have a secret weapon: keys. No, not the kind you use to open your front door. In biology, a key is basically a set of questions that helps you narrow down exactly what you're looking at. The most common type is called a dichotomous key. Dichotomous just means splitting into 2, so you're always choosing between 2 options at every step. You start at the top of the key with your mystery organism. The first question might be something like, does it have wings? If yes, you follow one path. If no, you follow another. Each answer leads you to a new question, maybe about legs, body shape, color. You keep going, question by question, until you eventually land on the name of the organism. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure book, but for science nerds. Here's a simple example. Let's say you've got 4 different animals, and you want to figure out which is which. The key starts with a question. Does it have legs? If yes, you go one way. If no, you go another. Next question. Does it have 6 legs? And so on. Every answer branches you closer to the right name. But sometimes, instead of questions, the key gives you 2 statements to pick from, like, has wings, does not have wings. You just choose the statement that matches your organism, and the key tells you which pair of statements to look at next. Instead of arrows, there might be numbers that guide you through the process. It's all about narrowing things down step by step, using clues you can actually see. And you don't need to be a professional biologist to use a key. Anyone can do it. You just need the whole organism in front of you, not just a picture or a part. So next time you stumble across something weird and wonderful, don't just guess what it is. Try using a key. It's a little like being a detective, piecing together clues until you solve the mystery. And who knows, you might just discover something new. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this little dive into the world of biological keys, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome science stuff. See you next time.